Mga kababayan, I received a call from those who are actually at the Duterte Park and may police po daw na pumunta. Huwag po tayong mangamba or ma-worry about this police showing up kasi nga they only wanted to have a dialogue. I also spoke to the police and they will wait for me at 1 o'clock for me and Aldo, of course. We're going to talk to them and we're going to relay information of what steps were already taken in relation to also letting the municipality or the local authorities know kung ano ba yung position namin as protesters, just rightfully gathering in front of a public sphere. Kasi nga yung proposed na alternative location kung saan kami pwedeng mag-gather, we find it a little bit dangerous. Kaya we also propose another location na nandun lang din sa ICC detention facility. If you're facing the detention facility, it will be on the left right corner dun sa may merong basketball. I'm still traveling. I'll be there approximately in less than 2 hours and then we will keep you updated later on kung ano man ang development sa nangyayaring ito. Ipaglaban po natin ito hanggang sa dulo. Mabuhay tayong mga Pilipino. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Shoutout po sa inyo from Davao City. Gusto ko lang po sana sabihin sa mga tao nag-iisip or already thinking to go back to go and visit the ICC detention facility today. Maganda po yung weather ngayon, but Unfortunately, I received a call earlier this morning from a person, kababayan natin nandoon na sa Duterte Park. Meron daw police na pumunta. They were very calm and very friendly enough because normally they will ask for a representative or a designated person kung sino man ang nag-apply ng mga permit, kung sino ba yung contact person para mas madali po yung pag-relay ng information. So nakausap ko po yung police, sabi po ng police na hindi na po daw pwede doon sa Duterte Park. So I told them, unfortunately I'm not yet there for me to be able to have a better dialogue with you kasi nga papunta pa lang ako doon sa Duterte Park. Sabi ko, would it be possible for us to talk around 1 o'clock this afternoon? Because right now it's currently 11:15. Sabi ko naman sa kanya, we already have sent an email to the Khamainte or the municipality of The Hague enclosing informations with respect to the gusto po namin sana na yung proposed na gusto nila na doon na kami magstay, which is around 100 meters sa kung saan naroon yung Duterte Park. We find it a bit dangerous kasi nga it's along or it's just along the road, parang literally 1-2 meters lang road na siya, proper road na siya, and that the toiletries and the barricades were not yet transferred to that location. So I told them as well that we also sent a proposal of an alternative location where we can stay. This time, this area is also within the vicinity of the ICC, but it is in a much more safer and without any residents. Yun po yun. So we are awaiting decisions regarding that matter. Dito naman po kasi sa Netherlands, hindi naman po sila dire-diretsong, alam mo yun, hindi po yun pwede na pinapaalis ka lang ng walang justification na bakit ka pinaalis. So ang mangyayari po, meron silang supposed decision na paalisin kami, hindi paalisin but to relocate to a different place. Sabihin nila, okay, initially sinabi nila before na meron daw silang new guidelines or rules na after 50 days of staying within the location or area, which is actually open access, kailangan nyo nang maglipat or kailangan kayong ilipat talaga. Perhaps there are some rules hindi ko pa rin nalaman, kaya we need to talk about it. So yun nga, if I'm going to reach, thank you po sa mga nagsisend ng stars but hindi ko po makita lahat kayong nagsisend ng stars. Maraming salamat po talaga. So when I'm going to talk to the police later on, we are also going to explain to them our position. Ano ba talaga ang real dynamics ng mga taong pumupunta sa ICC detention facility? Kasi hindi naman talaga kami isang grupo na pumupunta doon. Ano po yan? Ang mga tao po ay they come and go. People from all over the world. From UK, from Ireland, from America, Los Angeles, California. Ganun po talaga ang dynamics. Hindi po yan isahan diretsa ng sige, pumunta na tayo doon. Hindi po ganyan. Kaya I wanted to relate that information clearly kasi nga ang ginagawa ngayon is that even though hindi naman talaga kami pinapaalis or whatnot, ang actually sinabi na it is okay. What they wanted to say is that it's okay for you to protest and to express whatever dissent you have. Wait, maingay pa. It is okay for you to protest or whatever dissent you have pertaining to the incarceration of your former president, but they also want to compromise that perhaps there are some reports or whatnot from whether it's from our kababayan or from the residents within the vicinity or whatnot. They need to find a solution. So yung compromise na iniisip nila is for us to be relocated to a different location, provided, can you take note about this, provided na bibigyan pa po kami nila ng barricade, yung mobile toilets nandun pa din, ibibigay din nila yon, at saka yung mga basurahan. So hindi po nila kami gustong ipastop sa mga ginagawa namin. Hindi po. Ang gusto lang po nila talaga ay kami magkaroon ng another location para doon naman po kami. It is for the sake of everybody. Ganun po talaga. Update po kay Tatay Digong, malalaman po natin yan mamaya kasi may appointment po si Kong Pulong doon mamaya, at saka we are going to of course ask him after their meeting or appointment kung ano po yung situation ni Tatay Digong. But as far as I'm concerned, or in as far as what I know about the situation, Tatay Digong or the former president is yun po yung latest na nangyayari ngayon dito, na we are trying to have a dialogue with the police, with the local authorities, and echo the dynamics of ano ba yung ano ba yung nangyayari doon sa mismo Duterte Park, because I wanted to also tell them that we are occupying a public sphere. In fact, the mere fact that you have provided us with barricades, trash bins, mobile toilets is indicative of you guys recognizing our rights. Yun naman talaga. Sir Alvin, kayo pa rin po magbibigay update maski lumipat, diba? Yeah, of course. You know, we are only going to be relocated, but everything else will still be the same. Mag-update at mag-update pa rin, magla-live pa rin at magla-live. Ganun po yan. Hindi po yung ibig sabihin na hindi naman po. That's why hindi ko nga maintindihan sa iba, ginagawa na istorya yung pagkikipag-usap namin sa local authorities kasi nga ganito daw, ganyan yung mga we don't align with other Filipinos, yung mga statement na ano yung ginagawa namin, because that's not really going to help the former president. What do you mean that's not going to help the former president? Can the other Filipinos, can all other factions of Filipinos who want to rally or whatnot also influence the proceedings by which the ICC operates? Hindi po. The only person or the only viable individual that can influence the result, may it be urgent or otherwise, of our former president being brought back to the Philippines is through his legal team. Kaya wag niyo akong pantaran niyang mga kayo lang ba na hindi yung ginagawa namin is not helping the former president. What we are doing is showing the Filipino community the sense of community, the sense of solidarity. Ganyan po. Yan naman po talaga ang totoo. We are not shy to show the world ano po ang mga kababayan, ano po yung mga Pilipino. Ganun po talaga ang totoo. Let us not be disturbed, or let us not be swayed to cater unnecessary, irrelevant drama caused by other factions. It is very okay. It's okay na magdrama kayo. It's okay na siraan niyo ako. It's okay that you, I don't know, create narratives or whatnot to suit whatever it is that you want to echo or want to say to the other people. But one thing is for sure, my unwavering support and love to the former president will never cease. Ganyan yung ano ko. Kahit ano pa yung sabihin niyo sa akin. That's why I am doing my best together with other like-minded Filipinos to really exert the effort to cater the Filipinos when they come here, mga kababayan natin na nagbiyahe pa, by the way, na nag-spend pa ng thousands of euros just to be there. Ganun po yun. Let us not be confused with our initial objective to your current whatever personal agenda you have, because I don't have personal agenda here. What I have is that I will say it again, what I'm doing feels like my duty to the country, to my country, and to my Filipino compatriots. Yan po talaga ang totoo. Yan po talaga ang totoo. So it is not very common for me to fight for what my convictions and discernment are. It doesn't matter kahit what sabi nga ni VP Inday, you can burn me, you can skin me alive, you can drag me to hell, but she will remain unbound. I will do the same. That's like you can take away everything from me, but not me being a Filipino. Totoo lang. We only want to make sure that Tatay Digong will know, or the former president will know, that we are echoing a message of Filipinos who want to come to The Hague to show their unwavering love and support, but they couldn't. So let us be representative of those Filipinos who wanted but they couldn't. May it be raining, may it be snowy, may it be sunny, may it be whatever the weather will be, whatever the time of the year will be. If the country calls for you, your duty as a Filipino, who are you to refuse? You are saying that this is nothing. I'm feeling okay. I thought we can all see na lang walang bahid na kayabangan sa ramble. They don't even want to be there. Open to fair people. Exactly. I just want our kababayans not to be in factions when they go to the Duterte Park na para bang, hindi ba, pareho lang tayong Pilipino. I always say that. Pareho tayong pango ng ilong, not unless if you can afford a rhinoplasty, which is of course perfectly fine. Ganun yan. Kaya huwag niyo akong paandaran sa mga thank you, Shen. Ganun yun actually, guys. So you really cannot just tell me to stop what I am doing, because what I'm doing I really take it seriously, to the point that I feel like so sad na yung mga kababayan natin ay pagpunta doon. Alam mo yun, lalo na yung mga pinamanipulate ng mga kababayan na pumunta lang doon or pinapapunta doon, ganyan. I really hate that. Totoo lang.